Hi everybody, Sheridan here with Celestial Cycles with another 30-second bicycle maintenance tip. Today we're going to show you how to remove a tube so that you can change a flat on your own. Step 1, we are going to use our tire tool to remove the bead out of the rim. Step 2, take our second tire lever. Pry the tire off of the rim until it's loose enough to slide around. Step 3, remove tube from your wheel. There you go, folks. Another 30-second bicycle maintenance tip from your friends at Celestial Cycles. Click on our links to see other tips and other helpful hints on how to take care of your bike.